Hey guys, Ghost Airsoft here, and today we'll be getting into another unboxing. I just pre-opened everything just to make sure there was everything was in it, and there is, so let's get into it. First, I got my Condor multi-wrap olive drab. Next, I got some mechanics gloves, large. Next, I got my PTS MOE foregrip. Now to mount my foregrip on my key mod rail, I have some key mod slots. I have a Condor utility pouch. And I have a Condor EMT pouch. Okay, this is all the stuff together. I'm really happy with what I got. This stuff is all from Trigger, so definitely go check them out. If you like this video, please share, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.